In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your files from Google Drive to Dropbox in a step-by-step tutorial that's perfect for 2025. Whether you're switching platforms or simply backing up your data, this guide will make the process easy and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Google Drive. So open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to decide which files or folders you'd like to transfer. Click to select them. If you're moving multiple items, you might want to use the Control or Command key to select them all at once. Once you've selected your desired files, go ahead and right-click on one of them. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option to download. Click on it and Google Drive will begin compressing all the selected files into a single .zip file. This .zip file simplifies the download process by packaging everything together, making it easier to handle. After the download is complete, you'll find the .zip file in your computer's designated download folder. The next step is to decompress this archive. This process will restore your files to their original format, and you can usually unzip files by simply right-clicking and selecting Extract or Unzip. Make sure you keep the extracted files in an easy-to-access location for the next step. Now with your files unpacked, you'll need to move them over to Dropbox. To do this, open your browser once again and go to Dropbox.com. Alternatively, if you have the Dropbox desktop app, you can open it directly from your computer. Once you're there, locate the Upload button on the interface. It could be in different places depending on updates and versions, but it's usually at the top. Click on Upload, then choose either Files or Folder, depending on your preference and the type of items you are transferring. Navigate through your File Explorer to where you unzip the Google Drive files, then select them for upload. Once confirmed, Dropbox will start uploading and syncing them to your cloud storage. It's as simple as that. This method is especially effective for small to medium transfers, ensuring your files are securely transferred without too much hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully moved your files from Google Drive to Dropbox, using a clear and efficient method that ensures all your data is accessible on the platform you prefer. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.